Top 7 na.
I know. These have been tabulated by Sysprotech and independently validated by Tax Services Incorporated.
Top 7.
Now, in just a few seconds, we will reveal the top 7 finalists.
Top 7 sino?
The women who will move forward to the final question round. Alright, Mo Arena, dim the lights. Here we go!
Top 7.
Watch closely because in this moment, everything changes.
Everything changes.
Starting with one Filipina who stood out with her impact and presence.
Sino
The
kaya?
Pina Beauty Award winner who topped the category through challenges and highest number of public votes.
Ano?
Our Miss Pina Beauty and first to enter the finals is Miss
Pina Beauty. Sino kaya? Sino?
Sultan Kudarat.
Sultan Kudarat. Top 7.
Congratulations, Miss Sultan Kudarat.
Wala, top 7 siya. Next.
And now, the other 6 delegates, guided by the voices of our judges. Your
Best of
journey
judges.
continues.
Sino kaya?
Miss
Miss sino? Sino?
La Union.
Lang yung picture sa taas lagi eh. Kita na agad. Sa top 6. Kita na agad yung picture eh. Hala.
Still in the running is Miss
Sino?
Cebu City.
Cebu City. Pasok sa top 6, 7. Cebu City pasok.
You are one step closer to the crown, Miss Tarlac.
Tarlac pasok. Tarlac pasok.
Alright, 3 more spots. You're not done just yet.
Sino kaya?
Miss Taguig.
Taguig pasok sa Taguig. Ano sa Taguig pasok.
Claiming her place
Dalawa
in
na
the
lang.
top 7.
Top
Miss
7. Sino kaya?
Cebu Province.
Cebu Province. Isa na lang.
It's pandemonium here at the Moore Arena, completing our top 7 finalists. Shantae, you stay.
Sino kata? Sino? Pampanga.
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 Sa Manila, hindi na tayo.
Wala yung Manila.
Magkakasya ito. Ano yan mo?
Wala na si Roxy Bayens.
There we have it.
Congratulations sa
Seven
top
remarkable
7.
Filipinas, each one closer to the
Grabe.
crown than ever
Tatlo yung sa
before.
kwan. No?
But
Sa
only one will be crowned
o
tonight.
sila kayo mananalo.
Again,